In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new field in Airtable. If you're organizing information in Airtable, adding the right fields is one of the most important parts of building a clean and useful base. A field is basically a column in your table, and each field is designed to hold a specific type of information. Setting it up properly from the beginning can save time and make your workflow much easier later on. To get started, open the Airtable base where you want to make the change, and then go to the specific table that needs the new field. Make sure you're in the correct table before you begin, especially if your base contains multiple sections for different kinds of data. Once you're there, look across the top row of your table where the column headers appear. At the end of those columns, click the plus button to add a new field. This is the starting point for creating a new column and telling Airtable what kind of information you want to store. After that, type in the name of the new field. Choose a name that clearly describes what the column will contain. Keeping field names simple and specific makes your table easier to understand, especially if other people will be using it too. For example, a clear field name helps you quickly recognize whether that column is meant for dates, notes, files, or status updates. Next, choose the correct field type. This part is important because the field type determines how the data will behave. You might choose text for general written information, number for values you want to calculate or sort, date for deadlines or events, attachment for files and images, or single select if you want people to choose from a set list of options. Picking the right type helps keep your data consistent and easier to manage. If needed, adjust the field settings before saving. Depending on the field type, Airtable may give you extra options to customize how the field works. For example, you may be able to define formatting, create selectable choices, or fine-tune how the information appears. Taking a few extra seconds here can help the field work exactly the way you want. When everything looks good, click Create or Save to add the field to your table. Airtable will then place the new field into your column layout and make it ready to use right away. From there, start entering data into the new field. You can click into the cells below that column and begin adding the appropriate information. As you build out your table, using the right fields will make your Airtable base more organized, more searchable, and much easier to maintain.